Okay, all right. Good evening, everyone. So I'm Kevin here from Round and Search. We will be looking into the US market. So you can see my account balance is down to 20,000. Oh, I haven't shared my screen yet. Okay, so my account balance is actually down to 20,800. So what happened? All right. So what is happening right now is that this week wise that I find the trading strategies that I have worked on previously is not working for the current market. So that is the reason why. Okay. So I might need to find out something. So to overcome that, probably because the trend changes. So these are the things that we need to know how to overcome it. So, yep, today we look into it and see same thing. If let's say two trade cut loss, then we're gonna pause and monitor it again and see how it goes, because morning trades right after the market is open, uh we have entered into it and then it doesn't really goes into one direction, just moving up and down, up and down, up and down, and that's why it costs us very huge losses there. So cut loss multiple times. So we broke the 22,000 last week, but right now we've also broke another new record that is down to 20,800. So we started off about like 21,000, right? So yeah, this is the case over here. So it's not that good. Let's see that we have something here, maybe that we can look into it, like Apple. I'm currently looking at it. So market close here. So okay, it's not moving yet. So price is up, but after that it goes down lower. So I don't want to look at it. First, let's find anything else. So seems like this current minutes is the thing that it will trigger whether it will go up or down into a downtrend. But I'm just hopefully it's not going to be something like the past in the past few days. So at least we can let's see whether we can make it for this today using the same strategy. I haven't come out the new strategy for that price movement yet, so I don't know how it will works. Don't know how the market it is. I haven't come out the way to beat that trend yet. So let's see whether today the trend will actually move that way. So this one actually shows the price is down. So looking at our entry rules, this is where we will actually enter into it. Price actually close below that after the market open, then usually the price will continue goes down lower. So let's not get too happy first. Okay, so of course, if you're watching from YouTube or maybe from Facebook, remember to give us a like for this session over here. Okay, just to pity me, all right, from 21,000, 22,000 down to 20,800. Although yes, it's a paper trading account, so lucky and unlucky, but of course I take it very serious because I want to trade it uh like a real account. So when I'm into real account, so I have lesser things to actually handle it. So that one is more on the emotional side. So right now it's just like looking into how to change, find out the right way to trade in the US market. All right, so right now I'm into AMD. Okay, paper trade in AMD. So having a running profit about 80 over dollar. So I have set this bid and ask over here in the chart so you can see what I'm talking about. Sometimes when I say like the price is keep on going down, 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 the market, how do we know that the price will continue goes down lower? Okay, I look at the bid price. So if let's say the bid keep on going down and down and down and down to show like lower low, lower low, then we know that its price is going to continue goes down lower. So like for example, right now it just set a new low for bid price, which is at 84 and 64, and a new low at 59 cents, then bounce back up to about 63, back to 59, then 67, 65. So the lowest at that point just now is 50. Okay, so we just need to watch High volume here, price bounce back up. Let's see at the end of this candle, how is the price is going to look like. If let's say the volume is still low, probably I'll just continue to hold on to it. So let's see how it goes. Okay, if the I find sometimes if let's say the price at really high up in one candle in 1 minute, then usually that actually tells us that that's the end. We need to get out from it. Okay, but still we have right now is about 49 seconds, 50 seconds. So 56, 57. Okay, new one. So we have high volume here, but the trend down is actually pretty strong. So we won't be using the first strategy where the high volume and then we exit for this case, because the trend down is actually quite strong here. So we need to continue watch. Maybe some update on my this strategy that so far that I've come up with. So I find one of the weakness for me right now to look into the US market is that first thing that I encountered this week is I don't know when is the price going to change. The trend is going to change. Like for example, this one, the price just keep on going down and down, then it's fine. Then we can take the profit from here. We have the profit. But what happened that day was this one, and we have our entry rules, and then after that, the price bounced back up higher. Right after our entry rules actually comes in, and then the price bounced back up higher. And then I thought like it's gonna go up instead of the trend instead of going into a downtrend, it goes into an uptrend. So I re-enter again. After I enter again, and then the price goes back down lower. So it's totally different from the strategies, the trading plan that we structure is not working in the market. So first thing is we need to know when they will have this kind of price movement out. Okay, for what I know is why they keep on always move sideways, always waiting for some news or announcement coming out from the market. So that's why it start to move sideways, and then when things are much clearer, then they start to go down. So I haven't really studied this yet. So probably later on I will look into like maybe the economic data, maybe because of the economic data. So that's why yesterday the price is moving like this, and then on Tuesday also the same thing. So I'm going to take a look into it later on. Okay, so right now the price are down, still going down. So let's see whether we can get back to where we were at 21 over 1,000. So right now open the running profit, the unrealized profit is 197, which is almost if let's say we take the profit, then we're going to have like 21,000. So it's back to our 21,000 mark. So I'm going to continue to watch it. Price is still down, so I'm just going to let it run. So while it's running, so what I'm going to do here is where last time I do trade forex before, so I read a lot of those economics, those calendar. Okay, where I like to read it is from tradingeconomics.com. So they have this calendar over here. So let's see, we look at US market, America, El Salvador. Okay, at least it's still here. So this is on Thursday, which is today. One thing I like about this, okay, I can change the date this week. Monday, Fed post-stick visit speech. Don't know about that. But usually with the red color, this one here is showing that it's important. It might have a huge impact into the market. It might be, but not necessary. So I want to look into a US one because, okay, this guy is speaking also. I don't know what he say. So maybe that's why the market is moving sideways during that time. So after that, then only they go into one trend. And then yesterday, this one morning, it doesn't matter, Australia one. So yesterday was the inflation rate and also core inflation rate. So I guess this is the one that it affect our trading strategies. Okay, that whether we that's why we can't use that for yesterday and the day before. People are staying aside and watch the inflation rate of this. So this gives us a clue. We know that. So before we start any trade, we need to look into the economics calendar to find out what are the important news are happening in the market, so we can avoid trading in that stocks. Okay. So yeah. So at least we find out something. Let's see today we have, and do we have anything? PPI, okay, is also the interest rate, but seems like the market is pretty affected with the inflation rate. So inflation rate year on year for US market is 8.2%. That's a lot, but I'm not surprised that our country also we have the same thing, because most of us we are experiencing the high price, more expensive stuff. Food are more expensive. Nescafe ice also more expensive right now. Okay, seems like this one is moving up like this. So I am going to take this profit over here, 160, 154. So very close to go back to about 21,000. So it's in a downtrend. So I'm not going to go against the trend. I don't like to go against the trend. So I'll just continue with it. So at least right now, we know what are the things that are affecting my trading strategy. So in that case wise, I don't really have to come out a new trading strategy to fit with that, because it's because of the news that is affecting that. So in that case, I'll just leave it as it is. Okay, so not going to do anything with that. And let's see whether we can actually enter a second trade. So today, $149 of profit, which is good, but we have to recover that because we are eating up our, what you call that, if let's say they are going too late. Okay, if let's say we sell, the bid price will be at 83, 87. It's not worth to go for that. Okay, I'll just, lucky there's a confirmation, because if let's say before they move up, they should have a sideways going on. So high volume here, so I'll just go in for short selling. Okay, so AMD again, short sell, and let's see. So most likely they'll move sideways first before they have any major movement or showing the direction or going up or down for it. Maybe I should not trade, because PPI is already out. 1 month PPI is already out, so it's 0.5%. So the forecast is 0.5%, and also it is also 0.5%. So which means that is up to the expectation of the market. But it's two-way. Sometimes if we need to look at it like later on, after maybe 1 hour, maybe half an hour, and see how the markets react to it, even though it's up to expectation or maybe out of their expectation. Because the market is, you don't know how this investor actually think of. I'll just cut this. Okay, close position 57. Okay, done. Right now it's only like 75. Okay, so we only have $75 of profit. This price up is actually quite high here. Just go in for a long position. I might be being too reckless going in and out of the stocks. High volume, the price got to move up higher. So this over here, the price movement, it shows us that my previous trading strategy, it doesn't work. Because by right, the high volume here and then the price actually goes down lower. But here, after the price bounce up, so it's not showing that. So in that case wise, I can't use that into to judge to exit or enter. Okay, let's see. Okay, close gap down also. Huge price down after they push up slowly. Let's see the ask price 8581 still keep on throwing down. 87592, okay, hit the higher point. 95 also higher point. So 43 seconds right now. It's booming up. So the price has already moved up more than 40% of the previous price drop. So it's more likely that it's reversed into a new trend. So I just continue to hold on to it. Oh, such a relief. At least what is affecting my trading strategy is because of the market. It's not because, like, you know, there's nothing to know that when are they going to change the trend. Okay, if let's say it's not because of any economic news or any news that is coming out, then it's difficult for us. But of course, one of the mistake I did in the past few times of losses last 2 days is because I keep on entering. Instead of I enter 2 times and then I stop. I didn't stop at that time. So that is why one of the reason why I'm losing quite a lot over here. So one thing for you guys to learn from here as well. Okay, so 2 times, if you set it, okay, I have to exit, then you have to exit. Okay, so don't force yourself to trade. Don't chase after the profit. Okay, so I think, let's see here. See how far we can hold on to this. Spread turn huge. It's getting a bit hard to push the price up higher. The spread keep on pressing it back down. Okay, moving up here. It's hard for them to break through that level. All right. Let's see when the market close. 50, 70, 53 seconds, 55 seconds. All right, I think we are just good about that. 92, about $85, 88. So we still had a profit about like 160 plus. Okay, 160, around 160 today. So it's fine. So I think that's we should just stop here. 160 plus 14464 24. So about 600 over ringgit of profit, so which is good. So you can see the price are moving up and down here today. So yeah, at least what we have here today is I find out what is happening in the past 2 days. So it's great, we know that right now. So in the future, extra things that we need to do before we start trading, so is to understand any of the important news are coming out, or important news, and also the economic data are coming out into the market, so we can react to it, and we can try to avoid trading in the market. Okay, so let's just keep it simple here. Today about 600, about 160 USD of profit, and then in ringgit wise about 600. Okay, so it's a good day. So slowly, all right, let's get back to the 22,000 mark again. All right, so that's it here for today. All right, so thank you very much for joining. I'll see you guys again next week. And of course, if you are watching this after the live stream, if you have any questions, feel free to PM us, or maybe leave a comment in the comment section. Okay, and thank you very much. Remember to share this, like this video, and also subscribe to our YouTube page, and also follow our Facebook page to help us to reach 5,000 followers. Okay, thank you very much. I'll see you guys again. Bye bye.
React to the market.